Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we're here to help. So without any further delay or any further ado, let's jump right into the video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to find stickers on Facebook Messenger. It's a pretty easy thing to do, so just follow the guide. Before moving towards the actual guide, please make sure that you're already subscribed to Solution Lab. If not, please consider subscribing. Now let's jump right in. First of all, open up the Messenger mobile application. Once you open it up, go to any of the specific chat in which you want to send the sticker. For example, if I go to this one, and if I want to send the sticker, what I can do, you can see in the emoji one. If I click on emoji, you can see the second last option is of stickers. From here you can easily search sticker or just go to any of these stickers that are here at the very top. If I go to angry one, you can see that all of the angry one will appear here, and that is how you can easily send any of the stickers and find stickers on Messenger. I hope this tutorial was helpful and informative. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care. See you next time.